Hey fairies! Do you want to know what's been consuming my mind, body, and soul for the past few months? Is it your big YouTube video project that you've been working on for the past 6 months, where you have been knitting a cardigan that still, mind you, isn't even finished yet? No. Actually, it's this and this. I've been obsessed with this, and this. Yeah, so if you clicked on this video, simply from the title, I think I can assume that you probably think I'm going to be putting myself into cosplay today. Unfortunately, you're wrong, because I will not be doing that. Not that I don't want to, don't get me wrong, I would love to. Like, my day at cosplay that I did like a while back, I don't know if you remember this, I'll just show you. Yeah, that was a lot of work. I was like pulling 14-hour shifts before AnimeCon for 2 weeks each day. All right, I was putting in the work, and the funny thing is that like this character, like I still had the advantage because this character looks like me. So I was thinking, why don't we attempt to recreate some of this kind of makeup? Creepy angel makeup, I think. So for the base, I'm just gonna go in with my Good Apple Serum foundation, and while I quickly put on my base makeup, my base foundation, I'll just talk about like what my goals are for this look. So I really want the makeup to look outerworldly and ethereal. So I think by giving myself like fake bleached eyebrows, and I definitely want to like decorate with like these rhinestones, and I'll definitely give my extra eyelashes to really sell the effect. And I also kind of want to like lean into like the bird-like appearance of the angels, because even like Lute, like she kind of looks like a pigeon to me. I don't know. So like her neck looks like a pigeon at least. When Charlie and Emily are like confronting the angels in court, not to spoil Hazbin Hotel, there's just a scene where they're in court or something like that. In the background there's like these little like bird looking angels, and I'm just like, that's kind of cool. And like I think some of them had like multiple eyes. I think that's like a common theme whenever anyone depicts angels in media. I don't know if this is like a biblical reference, like maybe it's mentioned a lot that like angels have like 1 billion eyes or something. I just noticed in this cartoon specifically there's like very, like even the fallen angels kind of look like birds. So yeah. I'm just gonna blend this out. I am working on this big YouTube video. I know I've like hinted at it in my community posts, but it has been taking me like a long time. I'm not a fast knitter, and I also don't knit like 8 hours a day. Like I have a lot of things going on, so it just feels like it's a snail pace. But I promise, like I've already started editing the vlog for it, and I promise that it's like my best work yet, honestly. It's just really funny because like summer's almost here and I'm still not finished with this cardigan. I knit like a sweater a year ago, and I just like freehanded it. I used like really thick yarn, so that's probably why it was like the warmest thing. Like I didn't even need to wear a coat with it. It was like a little cropped sweater, and because I used such chunky yarn, I literally couldn't wear it most days because it made me too warm. Even like some days in winter, which I mean, that's not really saying much because of global warming, but whatever. My eyebrows need to be covered just a little bit more, so I'm gonna go in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in shade Milk, and I'm just gonna like coat my eyebrow hairs just so it can hold on to like the lighter color better, and so my black hair doesn't show through. And I wanted to bleach my eyebrows. Okay, so let me just take you in. So I'm just gonna color in my eyebrow hairs just to really get all of them. Wow, I look ethereal already. We're gonna use this again for the eye makeup look. I cleaned all of my brushes for this, just so you know. It was a lot of work. Now I'm just gonna take this like angled brush and I'm just gonna like smooth down my eyebrow hairs. Wow. Honestly, it's a look. I feel like I've seen this in Vogue already. I think I'm gonna take some eyeshadow and just like set the eyebrow hairs. Or should I use foundation? I'm gonna take my ColourPop Going Coconuts palette. It's very well used. I love this palette so much. I use it like every day. And I'm going to use the Lovely Bunch. I'm gonna use this shade. And I'm just gonna like pack it into my eyebrows. Now I'm just gonna take like a Q-tip and clean up the edges a little bit. The eyebrows are now done. Now I'm gonna work on the eyes, the eye makeup. First thing I'm gonna do is accentuate the inner corners of my eye. Next, I'm just gonna line the bottom lid. How do I do this? I wish I had more hands. Do I look like a bird yet? Now I'm gonna go back in with this palette and I'm going to shade in my eye socket area. Probably want to use neutral, more cool tone colors. So I'm just gonna use this color to bring in a little bit more definition. I'm gonna also make sure to get under my eye as well. And I'm gonna go in and I'm going to deepen this area with the Nutty shade. And I'm just gonna do a light tap because I don't want too much. I'm going to use this shade again, to map out where I'm going to go in with a darker eyeliner. I'm just gonna buff it out. Now I want to add like some glitter eyeshadow into the corners just to set the white. And I'm gonna use this shade. It's really glittery. Wow. That is amazing. I'm just gonna put some right here too. I think that looks pretty good, yeah. I'm gonna have to go in with like some serious like eyeliner in this area. I think what I'm gonna do now is use a gel liner and really draw in you know what? I'm probably gonna do this off camera. Like, no hard feelings. I want this to look good. Okay, so did the eyeliner off camera. Really love it so far. I think now I'll go in and decorate with rhinestones. Oh man, they're lopsided. No. Now that the gems are on, I'm gonna go in with this liquid face glitter and I'm gonna put glitter on my eyebrows. For fun, why not? You know, you only live once. Honestly, I'm not even sure if it's gonna show. Actually, it does, and it looks good. Cool. And then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty. She's a little cracked, unfortunately. And I'm just gonna smear gold. Because I feel like gold's pretty ethereal, in my opinion. I'm gonna concentrate it into the top inside corner of the eye. Oh, that's so pretty. Now, I kind of made things pretty complicated for myself. I need to recreate whatever I did here onto the eyes that I'm drawing on my face. All right, that looks really good. I love this so far. Oh God, I'm so nervous. I'm gonna be taking my NYX Wonder Pencil highlight stick in cream, I think. I don't know what shade it is. This is a beige color. And I'm just gonna go in and draw the general outline of the eye. I think I want to have it up here. White NYX jumbo stick, and I'm just gonna start to draw out the eye. Next, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna blend out the eye shape a little bit. Why does it look bigger than my actual eye? LOL. Then I'm gonna go in with my black jumbo Wet n Wild stick, and I'm gonna draw my eyes, my pupils. Does this look off to you? Maybe with like lashes. Who said makeup was therapeutic? Because right now I'm stressed. Then I'm gonna go in with like this sparkly shade. I'm gonna go in with brown eyeshadow just because my eyes aren't necessarily so, like, they have a little bit of brown in them. Now I'm gonna go off camera and do the eyeliner for these eyes. I'm gonna go in now with this white eyeliner, and I'm just gonna make like the light reflection marks, I don't know, to make it more shiny. So I'm gonna use these like old lashes that I have that are spiky. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna contour with this Fenty stick in amber, just to be a little bit more snatched. Like, why not, right? You have to kind of be fast because it dries down pretty fast. Okay, just gonna take this big brush that's pretty dense. Next, I'm going to use my Stila highlight because we don't have enough highlighter on our faces, obviously. I'm gonna use it on the tip of my nose. And also up here, just really, I want it to look so shiny. Should this be my daily makeup? What do you guys think? I'm gonna put some more rhinestones on my face. Guys, I think I'm running out of lash glue. Now I'm just gonna put white dots all over my face. For the final step, I'm just gonna go in with a nude lip pencil and line my lips. This is the final look. I'm gonna change my shirt. Now the question remains, could I seduce Lucifer looking like this? Leave your assumptions in the chat. Thank you.